You see, house is a movement. It's the air that we breathe because we breathe deep to live and we live for this house. Because in the beginning when Jack Bowley declared